राधा कुंड श्यामा कुंड गिरि गोवर्धन जहाँ शोभ लीला कोइले श्री नंद नंदन। Radha Kund, Sham Kund, Giri Govardhan. In this entire creation, these are the topmost places. Govardhan itself is at the epitome, and at Govardhan, the most important, the most significant places are Radha Kund and Sham Kund. The most sacred place for any Vaishnava, where Shri Radha Krishna are present in the form of water. Actually, it is described that Radha Kund and Sham Kund are the molten love of Srimati Radharani and Shri Krishna for each other. So, these are the adjacent and interconnected ponds located at Giriraj Govardhan. And there is this another beautiful pastime. So, Krishna, he kills a demon called Arishtasur, who was a bull demon. So now we are not supposed to attack cow, bull, etc. What to talk of killing them? But he had come in the form of a demon. I mean, he was actually a demon. So there is nothing wrong in killing. But Srimati Radharani and Shri Krishna, the whole point is that how do they increase the intensity of their love for each other is by lovers' quarrel. So they keep quarreling also each other, because that quarrel increases the rasa, and then they get temporarily separated, and then when they unite, the union is also very sweet. So when Srimati Radharani gets to know that Krishna has killed Arishtasur, and Srimati Radharani and all the Sakhis said, no, we are not talking to you, go away, you are a sinner, you have killed the bull, and there is no mercy for you. So again Krishna like, okay, how to pacify you? What do I do? So then they told that you have to go to all the holy rivers in the entire world and take bath, take dip in all the holy rivers, and then only you will be purified. Krishna said, okay, that's it, let me do it here. And then he just made a hole in the earth, and that became big, like a pond, I mean like a big, a ditch, a pond. And Krishna started invoking holy rivers, Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, Kaveri, like that he was calling out names, and all the different rivers were coming and they were filling the water. So first river, and then second river, and the third river. So all the holy rivers, they came with folded hand and they filled that pond with their water. So Krishna said that I did, and I am taking dip and I am purified. Now what about you all? So Srimati Radharani said that we will make our own pond. We will not take bath in your pond, we will make our own pond. And what they did is, these cowherd girls, so they broke their bangles, and with a bangle they started digging the earth. And of course it is very difficult to dig with a bangle. So Krishna indicated to these holy river personalities who were still waiting with the folded hand, and then they did the digging, and they actually went to the other side of the pond also. I mean, they started filling this other pond. So this pond which Srimati Radharani had dug is Radha Kund, and Krishna made the Sham Kund. And Krishna there and then declared that whoever takes dip in Radha Kund and Sham Kund would get Krishna Prem, would get the topmost thing which a human being can ever attain. So that is the potency and power of Radha Kund and Sham Kund, which are located at Giriraj Govardhan. Hare Krishna.